Hello, can you see me through the window right here? Hi. Hi, yes, welcome to episode 4. Yeah, we got a lot of things to do. You know, I really love to record, but these chickens, I'm gonna shoot these chickens. Yeah, maybe I could probably just move you guys back here so I don't cause so much noise. Hello everyone, welcome back to the warehouse renovation to episode 4. So obviously in the title, you guys are probably gonna see that we are gonna be working on the bench and also getting my shelves back, moving all this stuff out of my way. As for this stuff, I have no idea. But yes, in case you guys are following through with the episode 3 of what happened of my whole project being ruined, I haven't talked to the previous owner yet about this situation because they're out right now. So as for now, just leave it alone. But for now, we can do some of the little things here and there and hopefully knock some projects out of the way. And most definitely, we really want to get the bench because I need that bench going. And plus, I also want to add a little of the little hallway right there with these two boxes, or I think there was like tools or something like that. I want to clear that out as well. And a little bonus point that we have an entire shower sitting way up there. We're actually going to move that shower and finally get it on out of here. Hopefully. I don't know how to get it down, but yeah, I most definitely need to call some reinforcements. So anywho, I do want to say thank you to all my family members and friends to come in and help me with some of the stuff that's going on around this warehouse, because I was really high-headed that day and they helped me relax and calm down a little bit, and I love my family. Thank you so much. But yes, now that I'm actually cooled down, we can actually get back to work. But yes, before we actually get into the project of moving all this stuff out of the way from this bench, getting the shower out of there, and also getting all the stuff out of the way in the aisleway right there, I got some important news. So while me and my dad were actually on the scissor lift back here, going up and down, changing these lights of the UFO, beam lights, we had a little hiccup, that something I didn't mention about in episode 3 that almost gave me a heart attack. My tripod broke. And while my tripod broke, it broke on the scissor lift, causing my $1,700 camera to come tumbling down all the way down the scissor lift and land in a trash can full of cardboard boxes. Thank God that there was boxes in that trash can because it cushioned the fall, but it did leave a little dink in my camera. And you know, the camera, this is the camera that I dropped, and this thing is not even a month old. And whew, yeah, it scared me. But at the same time, I can't blame the tripod because, you know, it done its job. It been through a whole beating for the last like 15 years or so. So I had that tripod for a very long time. So thank you so much. But now I decided to get myself an upgrade, which I'm happy to announce. So yes, I bought the Stand Plus Pro and I'm actually using it right now. And this thing is absolutely just amazing. So there are just multiple things I actually like about this stand. Number one, it's fast. Like there are times when I just need to set my camera down and actually just point and shoot, and having a tripod just takes almost forever. But having the stand, it's just one click, flip and go, and that's it. And number two, it's tall. Like sometimes with my other tripod, I have to like bend down just for the camera to see me, but now I don't have to do that anymore. Number three, I can actually just bend this stand in the most unique ways. Areas that where it's almost impossible for me to record, and also my tripod couldn't even handle, but now with the stand, I could basically have the most awesome shots ever. And last but not least, it is just sturdy and strong. Like, I got myself the Pro, and having it just nice and sturdy, it just feels so reliable for me to actually feel comfortable having it hold onto my camera. So yes, thank you so much. Now, I do want to give out a huge shout out to Edelkrone, is that how you pronounce it? Check out the link in the description below if you guys are interested in the stand. And also, hey, Edelkrone, if you're watching this video, you think you want to work with me? You know? But yes, anywho, let's get back into the video. So yeah, the first line of business now we're going to do is actually clear out this whole entire bench thing. I believe I see a bench right here. It looks like a workbench, and it looks pretty solid, which I absolutely love. And I believe I'm actually going to turn it into like a nice, good, like shipping station or so. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. And just like that, we finished and the bench is all cleared out. It looks pretty good. I'm actually satisfied how it looks so far. Nice and clean, but honestly, I think I'm probably gonna sanitize it because there was some rat poison right at the end right here. And there was just rat feces everywhere, so it was disgusting. And not only that, hold on a second. I'm truly amazed that this place did not get burned down yet. So it was plugged in like that, like this, wire sticking out right there, and it was turned on. As I was reaching over, I put my hand against it, and my wrist like tensioned up and my fingers curled up. I couldn't let go. I was like, huh, why is that? It didn't really hurt very much, but then I realized I was getting zapped. I was like, oh. Worst case scenario, it was right next to a box of matchsticks. So anywho, yeah, let's unplug that. But overall, I'm pretty amazed that this thing actually still works. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take that light down because it's unnecessary with these UFO lights. And I swear to God that this is just a fluke when I literally just bought this stand. Right after when I finished the bench and turned my GoPro off, I accidentally dropped it on the ground and it shattered into pieces. But it's okay because I got plenty of spares, so it's not that big of a deal. But that means I have to go back to my house and pick up more and replace it here pretty soon. So that's no biggie. But for now, let's actually focus on the big deal. We're actually going to start working on the shower, getting the shower down, and I need to call reinforcements. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it is day 2 of the project right now. We're actually going to finally get this shower down and also use the scissor lift to come through here, the shower on top of the scissor lift, bring it down, have a hoist right here that's all set to go, hooked up to the ceiling right here, and then we'll strap it and then lower it down to the floor, and then me and my dad will just carry it right out the door. If we can move this box out of here.
Okay, got it.
Easy, easy.
That's good.
Good. Just want to make sure that this thing works. Okay. Oh, ratchet. Ratchet.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. See balance on that.
Huh. That is sketchy as hell. Okay. Little cracks like that, that'll be fine. It'll be covered up by, like, I don't know, drywall or something. Okay.
Tell me when you want to stop.
Just watch your head.
Okay, stay there.
Oh, sheesh. All right. She's outside. All right, shower's gone. No more shower. And these things right here just temporarily will move it out of the way because I honestly have no idea where to put it. But yeah, next project will actually be coming over here, is actually getting all this stuff out of here. That way we have a nice good entrance entrance? Is that how you pronounce it? Anyways, that way it looks pretty nice when we walk through the warehouse. Okay, successfully cleared out this little area right here. Looks pretty good. Got all the walls clean, everything's clean. We do want to replace this light, but the light for now is going to be on a later day. Any thoughts of this area, Mom?
Just looks better.
Just looks better?
Yes.
Yeah?
Much better.
Much better?
Yes.
Hey, just letting you know, I think you missed a spot.
I'm gonna conk you in the head with this thing.
Okay, so this is actually day 3. We're getting back into the warehouse again. I'm here with my mom. We're actually gonna start working on this mess right here. It looks awful. All right, everything's all good. Sweeping the process, and then we'll start putting some wire racks right here that are actually a lot more better than the other racks. Back to back like that. Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for your hard work in helping me.
You're welcome.
Yep. Okay, we're about to change these lights right here. We're just cutting some of the wood, the 2x4s, to fit the light fixture up there. So this is gonna be interesting. doors off, right?
Yep.
Huh. Okay. And there we go. That basically wraps up for everything right here. We just installed this light. It looks a lot more brighter, a lot more clean. Absolutely loving it right now. We finally got these shelves going, and I'll adjust these shelves later on. Not entirely sure. Usually like these totes, they'll just slide right in. But for now, that's that. And a lot more space on top of that up there with the shower completely gone. And so what's next? Well, I have no idea. I just want to give out a huge shout out to my family, my mom and dad, for helping me out, especially when I was really hot-headed back then from the other episode of my whole entire project just completely getting ruined. But, you know, thank you so much, family. And also, I'm not gonna lie, we're actually going through some dark times right now. But, you know, our family's holding together, so we'll stay strong together. But yes, anywho, if you guys are really interested in the songs I've been using right now, check out in the link in the description below. Epidemic Sounds, thank you so much. And I'm pretty excited for the next episode, which finally gonna start getting some stuff out of here. So yeah. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Randomly, and like always, keep smiling for me. Oh yeah, don't forget about the stand. That's also in the link in the description below.